Hi guys, in this video we will be featuring a new application which is Telegram and how to use Telegram. First of all, Telegram is a cloud-based messaging application that is focused on speed and security. It allows users to send messages, media and files with end-to-end encryption. It is also known for large group chats, channels and bots. Telegram offers a secure and flexible way to stay connected across devices. In this full guide, we will be discussing the features that Telegram offers, and also we will be exploring the Telegram application. So first, let's dive in on how to download and install Telegram. Telegram is accessible in both desktop and mobile phone devices. Just go to your Play Store and then search for Telegram. And then when you see the Telegram application, click the install button. Once the installation is done, head into your home screen and then find the Telegram application in this icon. And as you can see, just tap in the application to open it. After opening the application, you can now start creating your account. Click the start messaging button and then type in your phone number. Then click the continue button. Telegram will send a verification code to your phone number. Just simply put in the verification code and you're done. Your account has been set up. Now that you have completed installing the application and also setting up your Telegram account, let's head into our Telegram application and explore it. As you can see, when you open your Telegram app, it will show you the main interface where it contains all the recent chats that you have completed or started in your Telegram app. Now let's explore Telegram. If you want to explore Telegram, you just need to click the three-dash icon here in the top left corner of the screen. After clicking this, you just need to click the settings. Inside the settings, it will contain every single personal information your account has. For example, your phone number, your username, and your bio. So if you want to change your username, just simply click this and then type the new username. And then click the check button here. Next is if you want to add a bio into your account, just simply click the bio tab and then write anything about yourself here. And you can also add a birth date for your account. Next is the settings section. Settings section will contain chat settings, privacy and security, notifications and sound, data and storage, power saving, chat folders, devices, and language. First is I want you to know that chat settings will contain the modifications that is related into the interface of your conversations. For example, you can adjust the text size by clicking this or swiping this. You can also change your chat wallpaper. And you can also change the name color. Next is you can select a theme for night mode and for light mode. And you can also adjust the message corners. You can also modify the appearance of your app icon in your system. Now let's head back to our settings and discuss privacy and security. Well, privacy and security. Telegram sets itself apart from other messaging applications when it comes to security. Because Telegram contains two-step verification, auto-deletion of messages, and passcode lock. It also has privacy modifications, like if you don't want others to see your phone number, your presence online, and your profile photo, you can set that here. For example, if I don't want others to see my phone number, I just need to click this, and then set it to nobody. You can also modify it here. Like, if you don't want anyone to find your phone number, you can set that here. And just simply click the apply button. Next is, if you don't want your presence to be visible to anyone, click this and then set it to nobody. Now let's head back to our settings and talk about notifications and sounds. So notifications and sounds are the notifications that will be notified to your device. For example, if you want private chats, conversations, or notifications to be visible in your device, you just need to turn this on. And if you don't want them to be visible, just turn them off. Next is, let's talk about the data and storage. As you can see, Telegram also uses your storage. So you can reset that here by clearing the cache and also data usage. Next is, let's talk about the power saving mode. As you can see, once the application detected that your battery is below 10%, it will turn everything off, like the animations or autoplay modifications inside the application. Now that we have covered more of our settings, let's talk about what's inside the Telegram chats or conversations. So let's head back to our main interface, and then let's create a new conversation. For example, you want to message someone, you just need to click this pencil icon here, and then click the Not Now or Continue button if you want it to be connected to your contacts. But for me, I'm gonna click Not Now. Now select a contact that you want to message. You can message this contact by simply clicking this sticker or typing in a text. Also, Telegram offers a feature that you can send a photo or media that has a timer. This media or photo will only be available based on the time that you modified it. Like this. Allow this. And then select the media that you want to send. For example, is this. Then click the timer icon here in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now you can set it to 3 seconds, 10 seconds, or 30 seconds. Now, if you have decided to continue sending this media, just simply click the send icon here. So let's head back to our conversation and let's discard this media sending. Telegram offers a set of GIFs and also emojis. And as you can see here, there are a series of emojis that you can use or install in your Telegram application. For example, you can also use this, but this is only available for premium users. Now let's talk about how to create a channel in Telegram. Just simply click the pencil icon earlier and then click the new channel. You can name this channel based on your liking. And you can also add a description to this. Then click the check icon here, and you can modify it if you want it to be a public or private channel. So let's set it to a private channel. And as you can see, it generated an invite link that you can send to anyone. And once this invite link has been sent to anyone, they can freely join to your channel. Click the check icon and then go back. And as you can see, the channel has been created. But how to join a channel? For example, if you want to join a channel, you just need to click the search icon here and then type that in here. And as you can see, once this channel is public, you can freely join to them. For example, I'll join to this public channel. You simply click the join button. And as you can see here, I am now inside their channel. Next is, let's talk about how you can play or use applications or bots in your Telegram. If you want to add a wallet into your Telegram, you just need to click the search icon here and then type in wallet. And this is a bot wallet. Now click the start button in order for you to start a digital wallet from Telegram. And as you can see, it has completed creating our wallet. You can also play games here by typing in the name of the game. For example, I want to play X Empire in my Telegram application. Just type that in here and then click the verify the result of this game, which is this. Click the start button, and as you can see here, I've started playing X Empire in my Telegram account. And as you can see, we have explored everything inside Telegram. I share the basic features and uses of it. And I think that's a wrap. We have covered some of the essential features of Telegram. Remember, there's a whole lot more to explore, so feel free to experiment and discover new features that suits to your needs. So thank you for watching.